Friends, this is the best treatment for hiccups. These two models will now demonstrate how to brush the phrenic nerve starting from point TW17 to ST12. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Right, now opposite side. With forceful, correct. If you do this, the phrenic nerve will get massaged and then the hiccup or uchki will stop. Thank you, madam.